This is a beautiful 1959 Plymouth Fury hardtop. Very classy front end, and under the hood here you see the 318 with compressor for the air conditioner. This is a massive front end. Very impressive. Incorporates the 4 headlamps. And we see remnants of the fin era. We have molding that goes down the entire side of the car. That was a very popular thing to do at the time. Fender skirts, and look at that interior. Gorgeous. It matches the 2 tones in the exterior. And notice how the seats swivel out to meet the driver and the passenger when you open the door. Torque flight controls are there, push buttons on the left side of the dash. Absolutely over the top. Now, they really used color back in the day. As the air conditioner is underneath the dash there. And now we travel to the logo of the car, which is right here. So you've got a futuristic airship, it looks like, and then the sailing ship. So it gives credence to the birth of Plymouth and where it was going to wind up in outer space. It almost looks like an outer space vehicle. It's got the fake spare there on top of the trunk lid, which is not where the spare is, but at any rate, it's a styling touch. Some liked it, some didn't. And you can see vents there on top of the dash. So this car originally did have air conditioning. Yes, indeed. That's the first time I've noticed a Plymouth with the vents there on top for the air conditioning. Very nice car. Beautiful.